Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. We are here today standing in front of our Dry Blast 900 cabinet, and we're going to talk about safety with this. Having dust in the air when you're working in the shop, not something that anybody wants to do is breathe in that dust. This one actually has aluminum oxide in it. In a dust form, it is not good to inhale. But one of the features with all of our machines, you've got a seal that runs all the way around the door that keeps everything, all the dust inside the machine. Plus we have our reclaimer and our dust collector hooked up on these machines. Our reclaimer here, which is actually where the media is loaded into the machine, then it's actually pulled into the machine. This is a actual siphon machine. We do have pressure pots that work the same way. You have your reclaimer here, so any of the media, once it's blasted, that's still usable, in other words, not broken down to where it's too small, will actually be pulled back into our reclaimer. From the reclaimer, any parts that are too small are actually sent over to the dust collector, which is on our other side over here. And then your dust collector is going to catch all of those small particles that are too small to actually be used. This actually has a seal around the door also, so you're not getting that dust back out into the air. You're not having to breathe it in. As a dry blast system, this is basically a closed loop system because everything stays self-contained. You do have the valve on the bottom down here. Once you fill this up with your dust that you can't use anymore, you can actually open that, put it in a barrel or a bucket and dispose of it. That pretty much covers the safety features for breathing in or not having toxins into your lungs. If you have any questions about our wet blast or our dry blast or our reclaimer or dust collector, please give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.